So has this happened to you? It's the hottest recorded summer and your brakes decide to go out on your Chevy early 1990s 2500 series 6-lug light duty pickup truck. And you go to the store and you get all of your brake parts, and then you want to buy the backing plate for the truck. And they tell you that they don't make it anymore. And then you go to every auto place in the area, every major retailer, and they all tell you the same thing. And they say, go to a junkyard or find someone on eBay selling them. Well, I have a solution for you. You can make your own backing plate that'll look nice when it's done. Come follow me on this journey. Okay, this is what we have here. This one here, this backing plate, came off a 1990 Chevrolet 2500 series light duty 6-lug truck, what's left of it. This one is one that I got from Summit Racing, and they said it would fit, but it was for a 1500 series. And this one came from AutoZone, and this one is an ABS one. So the plan is I'm going to take this section here, cut it out, and mount that where that hole is, where this hole is on this one, and take this ABS section off. And then that way it has the right contour and the right opening in the right place. Alright, so this is the finished product right here. I cleaned it all up and polished it, and I used this Harbor Freight 8-inch variable speed bench grinder. The reason I really like this product is because I can adjust the speed of these wheels. Very reasonable, and I got the extended warranty on it. I like this a lot. So if you're looking for a good bench grinder, go to Harbor Freight. Very pleased with it. It also has a light. Okay, here we go with the backing plate piece that I cut out. You can see this is for the driver's side. It says left on it. It's a little bit raised right here. And luckily this side is indented. It's concaved. And it'll just fit like that. And that's the one that goes to the spindle. And these holes here were on this one. I drilled it out here. These are for the ABS pieces. So it looks. I'm going to paint the edge so it doesn't rust, and this one will be ready. I have the piece mounted now, and I use the bolt hole that mounts to the spindle for the correct orientation, and I notice it's just a little bit off, so I'm going to have to drill this out, the silver piece out a little bit, so I can slide it over, and then I'll tighten it up, and I'll reuse these holes from the ABS mounts, and I'll put some bolts in there. There'll be two that are holding it, and the third once it's mounted. Slightly off. Okay, this is the original backing plate or dust shield off the front driver's side. And voila, there is the finished product. Looks pretty nifty, huh? I'll zoom in. Look at that. My videos are going high tech. There. Okay. So that one's ready to go. Okay, now we're going to talk a little bit about the parts and part numbers, so when you go to the store you can get these parts easily. Okay, the first thing is GM number right and left. You can see on the top here of this list. Those are the numbers for the original backing plates that fit your truck. And they do no longer make them. Dorman made some, but these are GM numbers, and this is the RP code. That's also a GM code of some sort. These all go together. Perhaps maybe you're lucky enough, you might find some hoarder of backing plates that had a brake shop. He might have a lot of these things, but they're non-existent. You might be able to find some on eBay. And that, these ugly things that you probably have in your truck. You're having a hard time replacing them. Okay, the next thing is 1964 to 77. I bought this at the parts place. I don't have any number for it. It just says 64 to 77. And the washer gaskets. This was the original one that came on the truck. And these are the replacement ones. And they're much thinner. And they'll actually work better because once you sandwich those two backing plates together, you'll want this because it's thinner. The next part, these were these things right here. Okay, that's that center that I'm cutting out around here. You can either get this at Summit or Jegs. The number I have listed, the first number is the Summit number. The second one is the manufacturer's number. And then lastly, this thing here, that's the one with the ABS on it. Okay, and you're going to have right and left. When you get the Summit ones, they come as a pair. When you order the ones from AutoZone, you have to get right and left. And they'll fit a 92 to 99 two-wheel drive 2500 series. That's the left number for AutoZone. And this is the left number for O'Reilly's. The reason I went with AutoZone is they're $10 cheaper. And plus I had a coupon, so they were a little bit more off besides that. And then the right number for AutoZone is that one, SU. And the O'Reilly one is this one. So these are all the parts you need to do it right. Now, does anyone need any ABS wheel sensors? I sure don't.
Ace. Aw, good dog.
Woo!